Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to add a Zoom invite to your Gmail calendar. This is really handy if you're scheduling work meetings, online classes, or just a casual hangout with friends. Let's dive right in. First, open the Zoom app on your desktop. On the home screen, click the schedule button. Here you can set the meeting name, date, start time, and duration. Make sure to double check time zones if your invitees are in different places. Once you're done, hit save. After saving, Zoom will create your meeting. Go back to the home screen, find your scheduled meeting, and click the More button, those three little dots. From the options, select Copy Invitation. This puts all the meeting details, including the link and passcode, onto your clipboard. Now let's head to Gmail. In the top right corner of your inbox, click the Google Apps grid and select Calendar. This will open your Google Calendar where we'll add the Zoom invite. Inside Calendar, click Create on the left side. In the event details, add your meeting title and choose the date and time. Then, in the description box, paste the Zoom invite you copied earlier. You can also add guests by typing in their Gmail addresses. When everything looks good, click Save. Google will then ask if you want to send email invitations to your guests. Click Send and your attendees will get the invite straight in their inbox with the Zoom link included. And that's it. You've added a Zoom invite directly to your Gmail calendar. Now your meeting is synced, your guests are notified, and everyone's just one click away from joining. Thanks for watching, and yeah, I hope this helps make your scheduling a lot smoother.